If you're a pancake lover, then this product is definitely for you. After you're done mixing your batter, you're going to go ahead and pour it into the one-piece handheld batter dispenser. It's the perfect batter measuring container and dispenser for not just pancakes, but cookies, waffles, cupcakes, and more. After buttering your pan, you're going to go ahead and press the trigger on the back of the product, and out the batter will come in a perfect circle. And no, you don't have to worry about messes because the latch literally closes after you let go of the trigger. I did decide to add chocolate chips to mine because yes, I'm a big kid. But look at that crispy, y'all. We love a good edge on our pancakes. Y'all, this product was great. Do not walk, run, and get it.